Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use your phone as webcam for PC. So now here you can see I'm using IV cam for the connect external webcam for PC. So you guys need to make sure that you also have a mobile device for using as webcam, and also make sure you in your mobile device you have IV cam. Okay, so now as you guys can see on the screen, I am searching for IV cam. So there is already a video on this topic, like how you can use IV cam in your desktop and also your mobile. So here you can see I am clicking OK and pressing on that play button, and here you can see that I have successfully connected to my IV cam desktop with my mobile device. And I recommend to use this using your Type-C USB cable, or you also can use your connecting same Wi-Fi network. You also guys can use this as a webcam. Okay, you can connect to IV cam desktop. So now here you can see I'm calling someone else on Facebook, and here you can see that my camera is showing here. So here you can see you need to click on that gear icon, and here you can see in case if does not show to your window, so here you can see you can select the camera. Okay, so if you have like any other virtual camera set up in previously, you need to just set this to IV cam. Okay, now here you can see I'm successfully able to show my camera to the other side. Okay, so this is how you can use your mobile device as a webcam. Okay, now here you can see if you use Zoom, or if you try to join in a Zoom meeting, simply just to open the Zoom app, and I'm just signing in. Okay, now I'm just skipping the process. Now here you can see I'm just creating a random meeting. Okay, now that's here it's showing that EOS webcam utility. So this is another option, so you guys don't need to look at this. So now here you can see the video option, and you can see that there are lots of options available. Like here I'm selecting IV cam. Okay, now here you can see that my camera is showing what you can see on the screen. Just ignore the background. I'm just showing you guys how you actually can use your Android device as external webcam. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, now if you use another app like Skype or any other conference app, you guys need to just set the camera. So I hope you guys understand how you can use your phone as webcam for PC. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.